Hi guys, this is Sindhu. Today I'll be testing GoPro Hero 7 Black. I bought this GoPro Hero 7 Black camera bundle which came in this beautiful bag. I can't wait to try it out, shoot a lot of videos and show it to you guys. In this bag we have got camera case, small tripod and our Hero 7 Black camera we'll be testing. Let's take this plastic off. Now let's turn this on. Yay! I'm going to take this camera while I go on a hike this weekend. I'm going to try out different features and see how the videos and shots comes out. We are in Clara Central Park, enjoying this view. This camera had some really great features like HyperSmooth stabilization, time-wrap videos, and it can shoot 4K at 60 FPS. I'm really excited about these features. So we are heading off to Rancho for our hiking. So far I loved the footage that I'm getting out of this camera. All the handheld shots came out smooth and time-wrap features is just awesome. I will be using this camera to capture more of my videos. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, namaste.